Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class. My dear student, I hope you are doing well. My dear student, today we'll study a very important concept from this chapter, which is solubility and solute-solvent interactions. So let's start step by step. Now, recall what is solubility. We already learned solubility on previous lecture, but today recall that what is solubility. What is studying solubility as the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve and a solvent at a particular temperature and pressure. But what is doing? But why does a solute dissolve a solvent? That depends on solute-solvent interactions. Now, what are solute-solvent interactions? For a student, when a solute dissolves in a solvent, particles of solute, when molecules or ions interact with particles of solvent. If the interaction between solute and solvent is strong, the solute dissolves easily. If the interaction is weak, solubility will be low. This idea is summarized by a golden rule of chemistry, which is like dissolves like. When polar solute dissolves in polar solvent, non-polar solutes dissolve in non-polar solvent. Now, types of solute-solvent interactions. The first one is ion-dipole interactions. That student, it occur when ionic compounds dissolve in polar solvents like water. Example, NaCl and water, sodium ions and positive ions affect the negative oxygen side of water, and Cl negative ions attract the positive hydrogen side of water. This process is called hydration. Now, the second one is dipole-dipole interactions. At my student, it occur between polar solute molecules and polar solvents. Example, sugar, polar, dissolves in water, that is polar. Now, the third one is hydrogen bonding. For a student, a very strong type of dipole interaction. Examples, ethanol dissolving in water, both form hydrogen bonds with each others. Now, the fourth one is under Waals or London dispersion forces. For a student, attacker between nonpolar solutes and nonpolar solvents. Example, iodine dissolves and benzene. Now, why like dissolves like? For a student, polar solute plus polar solvent of high solubility because strong dipole or hydrogen bonding stabilizes solution. Non-polar solute plus non-polar solvent have also high solubility because weak forces meet each other. Polar solute plus non-polar solvent very low solubility because no strong addition exists. Now, real life examples: salt, NaCl dissolves in water due to ion-dipole interactions. Sugar dissolves in tea because both are polar. Oil does not mix with water because iron is nonpolar and water is polar. Perfume dissolves in alcohol because both are nonpolar. So, my dear students, solubility depend on the interaction between solute and solvent. Stronger interaction, higher solubility. So, this is all about a solubility and solute-solvent interaction. For you student, whenever you see something dissolving or non-dissolve, always remember It's all about how solute particle and solvent particle interact with each other. So, my dear student, if you enjoyed this lecture, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lecture. And share with your friends. Comment your question below. And take care. And see you in the next class, inshallah. Thank you for listening.